Balik lang tayo why we're having this series. Ano po ba yung reasons behind God's decision to give the promised land to the Israelites? Why did God handpick this guy named Abraham and then binigyan ng pangako? Bakit ba naisip ni God bigyan ng promised land itong Israelites? It was a fulfillment of the covenant with Abraham. You see, our God is not just a covenant-giving God. He is a covenant-keeping God. Hindi lang siya promise giver, He is also a promise keeper God. The Lord said to Abraham, leave your native country, your relatives, and your father's family, and go to the land I will show you. Pag tinignan niyo itong si Abraham, walang kakaiba sa kanya. He was a pagan worshiper. And God handpicked Abraham. Iwanan mo lahat yan, I'm gonna show you something. That was 600 plus years nung kinausap ni Lord si Abraham. Remember, they were slaves for 430 years. It just demonstrated God's faithfulness in keeping His word. May pinangahawakan ka bang pangako ng Diyos dati na sa tingin mo, malabs na ma-fulfill sa buhay mo? Sa sobrang labo, parang hindi ka na nga nagdadasal. I don't know, may mga pinangahawakan ka bang pangako ng Diyos na sa tingin mo malabo na ma-fulfill? One of the reasons bakit ibinigay po itong promised land ngayon sa grupo 2 nila Joshua, because it was a fulfillment of a covenant promise with Abraham. When God promises something, He'll make sure He will fulfill it.